Hello, this problem might waste your time and it is annoying. It's not it. Parking space is considered one of the most important factors in encouraging people to come and use the service at many places, such as restaurants, agencies, organizations, or even educational institutions. It is convenient is there is a parking space wherever we visit. There are quite a number of studies in the Faculty of Political Science and Law Burapha University that say and the parking space provided is not enough for every one of them, let alone faculty, officers, and visitors. They have to find a parking space elsewhere around the campus, which sometimes is far from the faculty, or they have to do a double parking, which cause a problem to others. Right. We would like to know how the study here have been affected by the problem of insufficient parking space. Let's interview them.
Hello, what do you think about the parking space facility provided by the faculty?
I think the faculty should consider providing more parking space for us. Insufficient parking space forces some students to have to park their motorcycle on the footpath. Footpath is a footpath. It should not be turned into a parking space for motorcycles. Footpath is quite narrow. Motorcyclists have to be careful when they park there. Motorcycles so that they do not catch with others. Thank you.
How about you? Have you ever had any problem with parking? So what did you do?
Yes, I have to keep looking for the space more often. I don't have a parking space, so I have to look for a space somewhere else. Even though I was sometimes able to park my motorcycle in the place by the faculty. I always had a problem when I reverse my motorcycle because of tight space. All I have to do is to move other motorcycles or wait for their owners to reverse their motorcycle.
How that insufficient parking problem affects you? Inadequate parking space affects many things.
Firstly, it's a waste of time looking for parking space, which may be late for classes. I feel frustrated that I can't concentrate in the car, likely for an accident to happen in a parking lot with tight space. Frustration caused by insufficient parking space can also cause the driver to quarrel or even have a fight with other. There was a problem wounding and quarreling. Last but not least, parking space is considered one of the campus facilities. Failure to provide seat facility to students then was the payment of student tuition free. Thank you.
The Faculty of Political Science and Law has an insufficient parking space. Burapha University Bangsan campus is a huge campus. Aerial photograph shows that Bangsan campus had around 647 rai, or 255 acres. Built it from aerial photography. There are 17 faculties in Bangsan campus, but most of the faculties here do not share the building with each other. The university had around 29,000 intake of students in the year 2020, and this is probably one of the reasons why the parking space is not enough. There are around 3,600 students in the Faculty of Political Science and Law. It has the second largest number of students in the university. The faculty shares the building with the Faculty of Sports Science and the Faculty of Logistics, which have about 800 and 1,500 students respectively. Three faculties bring a total number of students to nearly 6,000, which makes the inadequate parking space becomes even more inadequate. There are 2 parking spaces for motorcycles in the Faculty of Political Science and Law, one in the front and one in the back of the building. The parking space in the front is actually not a parking space. Originally, it is a footpath and it connects our faculty with the Faculty of Sports Science. Nowadays, the footpath is turned into the parking space for motorcycles. Students from the Faculty of Logistics usually use the parking space behind the Faculty of the Political Science and Law building. Therefore, parking space becomes even more competitive for us. Students from the Faculty of Political Science and Law outnumber the other 2. But since we have to share parking space with others, it is a problem for us.
There are many solutions to this problem, and one of them, we would suggest the construction of a subway parking lot. Of course, we might need a lot of budget in building one but large space available in the subway parking lot. It is worth the money spent. It is up to the decision of the dean of the faculty or vice chancellor of the university.